Hi skaters! Today I'm going to show you some special off-the-ice strength exercises just for figure skaters. And I'm going to explain to you what these exercises will help you with on the ice. So stick around and stay with us through whole entire video. My name is Natalia Khazova, and I have been coaching figure skaters at the Broadmoor World Arena Ice Hall for over 25 years. Let's get started. Our first exercise are simple crunches. We are going to lay down on your back, bend your legs, and then get your arms behind your head with your elbows looking out to the side. And then you're going to try to lift your upper body about 30 degrees from the floor and then go back into that lay down position. And the one example of the strong core use is shoot the duck or seat spin, where you have to hold your leg in front of you. Working on spiral or on a camel spin, this is the great exercise for you. We're going to lay down on your stomach, and then you're going to lift your upper body, and then same time you're going to pull your arms with your elbows bent all the way back as far as you can. And there's different variations for this exercise. You can hold your position like this longer, or you can also lift your legs in the same time when you're lifting your upper body. The next exercise may not look very difficult, but I will tell you that when I tried it, all my muscles get engaged. So I think overall, this is great exercise. She will start with hold on her hands with her legs straight, and as you notice, her hips not touching the floor through whole entire exercise. And then she's going to go into kind of plank with her legs bent and try to get her body straight with her glutes engaged. Now the next exercise is very good for your ankles bent and proper bend of your knees for skating. We call this half squat. So you're going to bend your knees, pushing them forward against your feet, and keep your back absolutely straight. You can bring your arms in front or down to the side, as long as you're controlling that straight back position with your hips over your feet. Another essential exercise for skaters, it's a twist of your body. That's what we use a lot when you're doing just skating skills, or you're going into spin, or you're doing your jump. So we're going to stay on your knees with your arms behind your head and elbows out. And then you're going to sit from one side of your legs to another, and then come back to your straight position, standing on your knees like this. Make sure that you twist your upper body, turning your shoulders, and then come back to vertical position or standing on your knees using your legs muscles. Now we're going to continue working on your back muscles, so your leg and low back for your spins, your spirals, and also stretching your shoulders. We're going to start from laying down position on your stomach with your legs and arms down on the floor. And then you're going to lift one leg at a time and alternate them. And in the same time, you're going to lift your arms as high as you can backward and arch your back. Everyone knows push-ups. This time, we're going to do different legs position. Sometimes it's easier to start working on your arms strength if it's not killing you after first 5 push-ups. So we're going to get on your knees, bend your legs, cross them, and then going to bend your arms as much as you can and try to keep your upper body absolutely flat. Next exercise, lay down on your back with your legs bent, and we're going to lift your hips off the floor and lift one leg at the time at the same time. Your arms above your head along with your body on the floor. Try to keep position of your body straight and make one line with your upper leg and your upper body. You can see that this is difficult exercise, and you can always start with easier version when both of your feet staying on the floor, and then you just lifting your hips up. So this exercise helping to be aware of your straight and tight body in the air when you're doing your jumps. If you're enjoying this video and learning something new, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. This exercise will improve your twists and your abs and your legs muscles. Again, a lot of muscles involved in this exercise. Twisting, sitting on V up, legs off the ground, upper body twist to opposite knee. So your elbow, oppositely elbow touching your knee. You bend one leg at a time and twist to your opposite side. One more exercise with a lot of muscles involved. You're going to stand on your knees, arms going to be by your side, down, and then you try to go all the way back with upper body straight. Don't let your hips go back, and then come back into that vertical position. When I do this exercise, I feel my quads working, my abs working, my glutes working. So a lot of muscles again. Click on the link above or look in the description below to find more strength exercises for figure skaters. Now we're going to continue. Stand on your knees with your hands on the floor and lifting one leg at the time backward, bending at 90 degrees and flexing your foot. The most important here is to keep your back absolutely flat while you're standing on your knees, and then especially when you're lifting your leg. We are still working on quality of this exercise. She's still arching a little bit when her leg going up. You can see it right here. And this is very good exercise to control your body again during your jumps in the air. You want to be aware of your straight body position, especially if your legs moving during beginning of the jump and the end of the jump. And of course, same for the skating skills. You want to be aware how you bend your knees, ankles, what your body doing during that process. And you can find my video how to proper bend your knees and ankles if you click on the link above or look in the description below. Write in your comments what is your favorite exercise for strength and what other exercises helping you off the ice the most to prepare for your skating. This is just another variation of the same exercise we did previously. Now she's moving her leg to the side and try to flex her foot to extend her knee and engage her muscles better. Again, we're doing one side first, and then we're going to switch legs and do other side after. And when she lifting her leg to the side, she lifting first her knee and hip parallel to the floor and then extending her leg to the side. You can see a good flat position with her back, and she lifting leg slowly with control and bringing it back to the floor into original position. And a couple more exercises from the plank position, working your legs, keeping your upper body absolutely flat and tucking your leg in. You can do 10-20 times with one leg and then switch and do same with other leg. your leg can go straight in with your knee. And then the other variation, we're going to do leg turn out, getting with your knee out and then back into plank position. In this exercise, we're maximizing our workout using arms, legs, back, and stomach muscles. We're going to alternate feet, almost like you climbing a mountain. Every time turn out your free leg and then come back into plank position, keeping again all your body muscles engaged and control your movements with your free leg. And then opposite variation, when you twist and turn in, try to get your knee across your body, alternating your feet every time. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please remember to push the like button and subscribe to my channel.